Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Reach your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Adding a lateral stretch, bow to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your left side body. Lift your torso to upright and repeat on the opposite side, stretching through your right side body. Release and return to center, moving into a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing at your own pace. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, allowing this gentle stretch to release any tension through your upper body. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Slowly release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.